Withdrawing funds held by WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully access your money. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. Go to the Settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner Android or the bottom right corner iOS. Select Payments from the list of options to access your payment settings. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Payments section, look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will be prompted to select the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you have not linked the bank account yet, you may need to do so at this stage. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your payment PIN or authenticate the transaction using biometric verification. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to WhatsApp's Help Center for assistance.